Ladies, hey, move out of the screen, man. Move.
No.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, that's right. Check that out. We're making kebabs. Check out that meat. Yeah, fried by yours truly. Yes.
And
hey, are you eating our food? Hey, out of the picture, man. Check that out. Oh, that's raw. We'll cook that later. But check it out. Hey, you, focus on the oranges, man. We need to do this. And look. That's right. She's so focused. When she's focused, she has this pouty face look at thing on the face. You know what I'm saying? I don't have that. My pouty face is beautiful. So check it out. Hey. They're jealous of my true beauty.
No, they're not.
Yes, you are. Now let me get back to work. I mean, check that out. Whoa. Yeah, we're having kebabs today. Yeah, we're having kebabs today here at Pride Lands. As usual, we eat too well, if you ask me. That's right. That's where most of our budget goes. Good food and cooking program. That's right. And this one. And serious lady cooking here. Look at the food. Would you like some kebabs?
Oh my goodness.
We'll hook you up. Yeah, look at that.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm vegetarian. So
Are you vegetarian? Oh, make her a fruit one. Yeah? Yeah? Make her a fruit one. Yeah, we'll have to consider the vegetarians. Say, hey. Why didn't we consider the vegetarians? Whose fault is that?
Should we make a fruit one for her?
Yeah, make a fruit one for her and for Oren. I think Oren likes meat, doesn't it?
Oren likes meat.
Yeah, well, why not?
Well, this is Mom's vegetarian. I think he should have fruit.
Okay, put some vegetarians one together before he goes. Woo! All right, Meat Central. Come on. Look at that. And some fruit, not just meat. Ooh, wow. Is that Meat Central? Meat Central, that's just
You want
Meat
extra
Central.
meat on yours, man?
I'll eat last. If you look behind you, it's a good one over there. You know what I'm saying, baby? You know what I'm saying? Hey, Chelsea, check this out. No, you don't? Oh, you're a vegetarian. How's that?
No, she just didn't. No, she just didn't want to eat meat with fruit because she thinks it's weird.
Whoa! How could you?
sorry.
It's
But
good,
look.
okay? It's a vibe.
She's right. You want to check this one out? Look at the size of that. Yeah, baby, yeah.
I'm taking some home.
You're taking just one slab home. The rest
No,
is
I'm
mine.
taking two.
One.
Two.
Look at how small you are.
I
Me?
eat a lot for
Bird.
I eat a lot for a tiny woman.
Babe. Yes, I eat a lot too. Thank you very much. You want seconds? Come on, meaties. Hey. There's enough for thirds? Oh my God, there is. Eat it good. Hey, all you kebab eaters, did anyone say thank you to the people that made you the food, huh? Thank you for the thumbs up. Yeah. Oh, wow. All lies, man. All lies. What? Whoa. Yeah.
You burnt this.
I didn't burn it.
Yes.
Damn, that's not me. That's
Yeah.
Sorry. Hey, anyone want? There's some more kebabs. You guys gonna eat or what? Let's do this, man.